Today is Wednesday, October 15th, 2025. These are Rosie's babies at 4 weeks old today. We unfortunately lost one of our young girls this week to an accident. But we still have these 5. They're doing really well. We started mush, as you can tell. They are really enjoying the mush and their potty patch. Started using that. So this is our lighter fawn girl. Hey. Then our red, white, and blue color boy, who's adopted. And our green color boy, who's still available. And then this is our white and blue boy, Leroy. Say hi, Leroy. You've got some mush on your nose. And then the little orange color black girl. Everyone's doing really well. Getting up on our feet. We're a little more active than we used to be. Their toes, their tails are starting to curl a little. Baby. Thank you for the kisses. Yeah. I can't tell. Do the grumbles mean you like it or don't like it? You have some milk on your forehead. Why do you get milk all over you? Say hi. Hi. He's like, yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy for the tummy. So this is their baby food, just watered down so they don't choke on it. Come here. Can you say hi too? You're so chill. Here comes Mom. She's gonna check on you. Everyone's like, if we have a choice, we're having milk. Isn't that right, Rosie? Are you trying to get them started on solids? That's hey, buddy. What do you think, Rosie? How are they doing, huh? The little girl's like, I know Mom's in here. Somewhere. Huh? There. Now red, white, and blue is all the way into the food bowl. Huh? Here, stay back here. Oh yes. Milk is still better than mush. Mom's like, you gotta clean your face. Are you enjoying the mush? Yeah? They're like, Mom, that was not long enough. Come back. Alright, guys. Here we go. We are going to have to expand your bun. It's getting too small. Huh. Yeah. Mom's going to clean your faces after your mush.